Welcome to day 37. In this house it's day 8. So remember, I'm running 2 cycles. So the other one they are selling, and this ones we are still growing them. So early hours of today, around 5:30, I got a call from a customer who was looking for 10 chickens. So I woke up very early today. So 5:30 I was up and I picked up 10 chickens, and then I went to deliver those chickens to a customer. So I woke up around 5 o'clock. I went to my house. This is my routine, but today it was a different one because I get there, I pick up the chickens that I'm gonna sell for the day. So but I only picked up the ones that we were supposed to deliver in the morning, and then I quickly drove to the house that they required the chickens to be delivered at. And some people were asking me in some previous video, so when you deliver, do you charge for delivery? No, I don't charge for delivery, guys. So my delivery, it's free. So that's why people always call me and ask for chickens. I don't normally have people who walk in and say they wanna come and buy chickens. No. When I was working in Takealot, if you can check most of my videos, I always be wearing the Takealot thing. So I used to work at Takealot. So when I was working there at Takealot, I realized that actually the reason why Takealot and Mr. D is always winning is because it's convenience for people. So you buy a product while you're at home and they get delivered to your home. Then when I started my business, I applied the same method that Takealot was applying. You call, and then you place an order. I slaughter the chickens, I deliver them to your house. So you get my chicken fresh and on free delivery. So you don't pay for delivery. The reason why I'm not charging for delivery is because I can spend maybe 200 petrol on all my deliveries, because let's say I have 100 chickens and normally I deliver them 10 chickens. Like today I delivered 10. Yesterday I had only 3 deliveries. It was 5. So I slaughtered around 16 chickens yesterday, and the other house took 5, the other house took 5, the other house took 5, and those houses were not far from each other. So that's why I don't charge for delivery. Probably I can spend around 25 rand to deliver those chickens. Maybe I can spend a liter to deliver those chickens. So that's why one of the reasons why I don't charge for delivery. But okay, it's not about that today. While we are here today, we are actually in this house. I'm gonna quickly remove this for you to see. So before we take out the newspaper, we took out our feed as well as our drinkers. So after that we remove the newspaper. So under the newspaper it's wood shaving, and the reason why I'm removing this newspaper is because my chicken now looks dirty and the newspaper is wet, so we have to remove it before it causes some ammonia. And then we checked if we had any mortality. We found that no, we are still at 0 mortality, so our chicken are still 100. We haven't lost any chick. So this is how I remove my newspaper. With no given time, we were done, and our house looks fresh, our bedding looks fresh. So what's inside our drinker is actually stress pack that has been mixed with water, and they are still eating starter as the feed. So yeah, that's how our chicken looks like now. Then after we closed our curtain bag, the one that we use to separate the house from the rest of the house, and then we jump to the next house. We are here to pick up 10 chickens that we're gonna slaughter. So remember earlier on is we took out 10, now we're gonna take another 10. So it means that today we're gonna be selling 20 chickens. So far I have sold more than 50 chickens since Wednesday. We started selling on Wednesday and we have moved more than 50 chickens. So like I said, before you refill your feeders, what you do, you pick up the chickens that you're gonna sell for the day, you put them aside, then you refill your chickens. Yeah, look, this guy is busy struggling to catch chickens. So yeah, man, we're just gonna pick up 10 now that we're gonna slaughter, and then we refill our feeders as well as our drinkers. But it looks like our drinkers still have water, but it's almost finished. But yeah, we're gonna refill. Look at this guy, he's busy struggling to catch chickens with it. He's busy running away. Yeah, he only picked up one chicken. No, this is what's happening. Makwala agree with it. We are moving. So let me give you a tip of how do you feed your chickens once they are at the point of selling. So what you do now is that you actually give them breakfast. You only give them feed in the morning, then throughout the day and the night you don't feed them, because remember that you don't want to slaughter chickens that have feed. So that's why you don't give them food at night or throughout the day. So you only give them food in the morning, and then you are done. So firstly, you pick up the ones that you're gonna sell. You can see CPT the farmer is here. He's busy picking up the chickens, and he's been struggling to pick up those chickens. But yeah, let's operate, guys. Let's go and sell. Let's go and make some money. So this is what has been left at Makwala Agri. I think now we're left around 40 chickens or 30 chickens. Yeah, and then 17 of them they've been booked. So actually we're left with 20 to sell. Yeah, I think so. Like I said, it takes me only 6 weeks to run a cycle, and what I mean about that is that on week 6 we clean our house. Next week Friday we're gonna be cleaning this house. We're not gonna be selling, we're gonna be cleaning. Only 6 weeks to run a cycle. This is what I mean. This is how you make money. Not selling after 6 weeks. You sell before. Then at 6 weeks you clean. You put another batch of chickens in. Then you move fast. Dango.